Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on repairing the power issue of the Thermomix TM6. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to get your device back to working order. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter. These tools will help you access the internal components and perform the necessary checks. To start, unplug the Thermomix TM6 from the power outlet to ensure your safety. Next, remove the screws located at the base of the device using the Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover to expose the internal components. Take a moment to visually inspect the power supply board for any signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If everything appears intact, it's time to use the multimeter to test the power connections. Set your multimeter to the continuity setting and check the connections on the power supply board. If you find any breaks in the circuit, this could be the reason for the power issue. While working on the internals, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Use a soft brush or a can of compressed air to clear out any unwanted particles. A clean environment helps your appliance function more effectively. If you notice any damaged components, you might need to replace them. Remember, if you feel unsure about performing these repairs yourself or if you don't have the tools needed for the job, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. We're here to help you every step of the way. Now, if you decide to proceed with the repair and need assistance, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and the convenience of having your device serviced right from your doorstep. Once you've resolved the issues, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the top cover back on and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any rattling or further issues. Finally, plug the unit back in and test it out. If everything is working as expected, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM6. In case you're still experiencing problems, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect in terms of pricing and services. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your Thermomix power issue. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.